Open FL Studio Mobile 3. Click Help. Register your product if you haven't yet. This will allow you to access the users and support forums. You can download my archive in the link in the description or click the information card. The archive is just under 1 GB compressed. If you have a phone with low storage space, I recommend downloading what you need from the forums. You can also download the archive to your PC, and install instruments to your device individually. Open Users and Support Forums. Scroll down to the sticky note Direct Wave Instrument Sharing thread. There is also more instruments in Supersaw, GMS, Mini Synth, Transistor Bass Patch Sharing threads. Direct Wave Instrument Sharing thread. You can scroll through these forums and download what you want individually. Some users' posts will allow you to see a sample of the instrument you will download. Some will have songs using the instruments they are offering. Use my files to locate free instruments.zip. RAR can also be used to locate free instruments.zip. Open free instruments.zip with RAR. Select the folders and hit the extract button. Hit browse to select the destination path. Set destination as internal storage /FLM user files /my instruments. Open up FL Studio Mobile 3. If it was already open when you extracted the instruments, you may need to close the app and reopen it. Start a new project, and select Empty. Hit the & sign to add an instrument. I will select Direct Wave. Click My Files, then My Instruments, then Direct Wave. Select the instruments you want.
Oink oink piggy piggy oink oink piggy piggy.